Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Effaclar Gel is probably one of the most talked about cleansers in the skincare world, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this popular product, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. I'll share my personal experience, breaking down how it works on different skin types and addressing common concerns like acne and oiliness. Get ready to find out if this cleanser deserves a spot in your daily routine. Number 5. Differin Acne Treatment Gel, 30-day supply. This gel clears breakouts deep in your pores. It prevents new acne from forming, helping to restore your skin's texture and tone. Unlike other treatments, this product normalizes skin cell turnover. It effectively targets clogged pores and inflammation, the two main causes of acne. The active ingredient, adapalene, is designed for better tolerability. You can easily incorporate it into your morning or evening skincare routine. The water-based formula is oil-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic. It helps reduce the risk of scarring and hyperpigmentation by treating acne. In a clinical study, this gel reduced acne breakouts by up to 87% after 12 weeks. Continued use will bring even better results. What we like? This product targets acne right where it starts, deep within your pores. It clears existing breakouts and prevents new ones from forming, leading to improved skin texture. If you're struggling with persistent acne and looking for a dermatologist-backed solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The first 2 weeks required patience and a good moisturizer as my skin adjusted to the 0.1% adapalene, but sticking with it was worth it. This retinoid has effectively cleared up my active acne and has been incredible at preventing new pimples from forming. Now, after using it for more than 20 days, my complexion is not only clearer but also smoother and more even-toned, with a noticeable reduction in the leftover marks from past blemishes. It's not only effective for the red, surface-level pimples, but it also helps reduce the larger, deeper ones. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Foaming Facial Cleanser. Introducing a gentle cleanser designed specifically for sensitive skin. This product effectively removes impurities without causing dryness or irritation. It's a soap-free formula that leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed. This cleanser is oil-free, making it ideal for those with oily or combination skin. It helps to control excess oil and prevent clogged pores. You'll love how it leaves your face feeling balanced and clean. The formula includes niacinamide and ceramides, key ingredients for healthy skin. These ingredients help to soothe and protect the skin barrier. Using this product will help improve your skin's overall health. It effectively cleanses pores, removing dirt and debris that can lead to breakouts. This cleanser helps to minimize the appearance of pores. Use it daily for a clearer complexion. This product is suitable for both women and men. Its gentle formula makes it a great choice for anyone with sensitive skin. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like? This cleanser offers a gentle yet effective cleanse, perfect for sensitive skin. It removes impurities without stripping away your skin's natural moisture. If you have sensitive skin that tends to get dry, this product will be your new best friend. What people say. The La Roche-Posay Toleriane Purifying Foaming Facial Cleanser is excellent for oily or combination skin. With niacinamide, ceramides, and prebiotic thermal water, it deeply cleanses without drying, leaving skin soft and balanced. It removes excess oil and impurities gently, making it perfect even for sensitive skin. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Pair UV SPF 30. This is a daily facial moisturizer with SPF 30. It's designed to hydrate and protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. It's perfect for everyday use. This moisturizer provides double the benefits. It repairs the skin's natural barrier while offering broad-spectrum UV protection. It's a great choice for healthy skin. The formula includes niacinamide and glycerin. These ingredients help to soothe and hydrate the skin. They work together to keep your skin feeling comfortable and looking its best. The oil-free formula is suitable for all skin types. It won't clog pores and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. You can use it daily without worry. Make this moisturizer a part of your daily routine. It provides essential sun protection while keeping your skin moisturized. It's a simple step for healthy, protected skin. What we like? This product combines daily hydration with essential sun protection. It moisturizes your skin while shielding it from harmful UV rays. If you are looking for a simple, oil-free way to protect and hydrate your skin daily, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It hydrates my skin deeply and leaves it looking bright and healthy all day. It feels lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly. Light, oil-free, easily absorbed, no greasy residue, no heavy film, no uncomfortable sticky feeling. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Medicated Gel Cleanser. This is the Effaclar Medicated Gel Cleanser from La Roche-Posay. It's a foaming acne face wash, dermatologist tested, designed to clear and prevent breakouts. It targets excess oil, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. The cleanser contains 2% salicylic acid, LHA, and glycerin. These ingredients work together to effectively cleanse your skin. It helps to unclog pores and reduce the appearance of blemishes. The formula is oil-free, making it suitable for oily and acne-prone skin. It gently removes impurities without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. You can use it daily for best results. This cleanser is designed to clear existing acne and prevent future breakouts. It helps to reduce inflammation and promote clearer skin. Incorporate it into your daily skincare routine for a healthier complexion. This product has been tested by dermatologists to ensure its safety and effectiveness. It's a reliable choice for those looking to manage acne. It is a great addition to your skincare regimen. What we like. This cleanser utilizes the power of 2% salicylic acid to combat acne and control oil production. It effectively clears and prevents breakouts, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. If you struggle with oily skin and frequent breakouts, you should consider this product. What people say. In comparison to the Neutrogena wash, my face does not feel stripped after using this, and yet I notice that the medication is still working. The 2% salicylic acid, combined with LHA and glycerin, was clearly formulated for oily, acne-prone skin. After a few weeks of use, I noticed fewer clogged pores, smoother texture, and somewhat less frequent breakouts, especially in the T-zone and around my chin. From other users, it's terrific for acne-prone skin, reduces oil and prevents breakouts. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Cleanser for Oily Skin. This cleanser provides a deep clean, removing impurities and excess oil. It's designed specifically for oily and acne-prone skin, leaving your face feeling refreshed. The foaming action creates a rich lather that gently cleanses the skin. This helps to unclog pores and minimize their appearance, promoting a clearer complexion. This cream cleanser effectively removes dirt and grime. It's gentle enough for daily use, helping to maintain a healthy skin balance. Use it every day to keep your skin clean and clear. It helps to control oil production, reducing the likelihood of breakouts. The formula helps to reduce the appearance of pores. With regular use, it can contribute to a smoother and more refined skin texture. What we like. This cleanser provides a deep cleanse, specifically designed for oily and acne-prone skin. It works to minimize the appearance of pores and remove impurities. If you have oily skin and want a cleanser that targets pore size, this is a great option. What people say. It's great at removing dirt, oil, and makeup without leaving my skin feeling stripped or dry. It effectively removes excess oil and leaves our skin feeling fresh, clean, and balanced without any dryness or irritation. It effectively removes excess oil, dirt, and impurities without overdrying, leaving my face feeling refreshed and deeply cleansed after every use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.